Welcome to this GCSE revision topic of compound interest. Let's go through the question and see what we've got. So Samir invests £350 in a savings account. He gets 2% per annum of compound interest. That's really important. How much money will be in the account at the end of 3 years? This is a 2-mark question, so it only requires a couple of minutes to do. So we use a quick formula. The money that he gets out is what he puts in times a rate to a power of time. So he put in £350. The rate is 2% interest, which means they're adding 2%. So 1.02 to the power of 3 for 3 years. At the end of that time, he's going to get £371 and 42 pence. And that ends that question, and there you get 2 marks.